Total net profit, $4,122. Your price, only $0. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're introducing HFT Scalper, one of the most efficient and reliable expert advisors built for real market performance. Market price, $399. Your price, only $0. Now, let's dive into MetaTrader to explore its input settings and perform a detailed backtest according to its specifications. Alright, time to see MT5 in action. The bot is running smoothly and placing trades exactly as designed. Here are the inputs of the bot: risk percentage, take profit, stop loss, and trade filters, all fully customizable to fit your strategy. Running HFT Scalper across gold for maximum stability and gain. Testing on M15 timeframe in ultra-fast scalping mode. Initial deposit $500. Backtest mode. Current spread enabled for realistic performance. Promotion. This is the funded E, a quantum MT4, showing truly impressive and stable performance. This E operates on the M1 timeframe, requires a minimum deposit of $100, and trades exclusively on the 4 different currency pair. Market price, $499. Your price, only $25. If you're interested, contact us on website, link is in the description. To save your time, we've boosted the system speed. Now enjoy lightning fast performance with no delays. Initial deposit $500. Total net profit $4,122. 14% drawdown. 80% win rate. Download link is waiting for you in the description. Check it out now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews. See you in the next video.